Right, guys, let's look at the memo for exercise 7, and hopefully once you've done this, you're completely happy. Right, question A. When you raise a power to another power, you multiply. 20 times 4 is 80. Question B. Question B, I'm distributing, so I'm saying 3 cubed, not 3 times 3. 3 cubed is 27. And when I raise a power to another power, I multiply x to the power of 24. Notice I'm going faster this time, and I'm cutting out that middle step. Next one, be careful of the negative. This is negative 2 cubed, so it's technically a negative times a negative times a negative, which is negative. 2 cubed is 8, not 2 times 3. When I raise the power to another power, I multiply. Right, distribution, when I raise a power to another power, I multiply x to the power of 30. When I raise a power to another power, I multiply y to the power of 39. So that one is quite nice and easy. Okay, another toughie because of the distribution. I'm distributing the square to negative 3. So negative times negative is a positive. 3 squared is 9. When I raise a power to another power, I multiply, so 6 times 2 is 12. 23 times 2 is 46. So the only thing that's going to trip you up is the number. Right, going back up to F. Oh, be careful, this is negative 4 cubed. So that's negative times negative times negative, which is negative. And 4 cubed, I think, is 64. You can use your calculator to do that, but just don't forget that then it's negative 4 in a bracket cubed. Otherwise, the calculator doesn't know what to do. Then 7 times 3 is 21. When you raise the power to another power, you multiply. 9 times 3, 27. Right, one of the fraction ones. When you raise the power to another power, well, there's no other power here, so I'm just distributing actually. Can I say there's no other power? That's not entirely true. Technically, there's an invisible 1 there. So it's 1 times 10, which is 10. On to the next one. Raising a power to another power, I'm multiplying. 25 times 2 is 50. And distribution, raising a power to another power, y to the power of 44. Now the whole time, the only reason I can be distributing here is that there's always one term in the bracket. So there's multiple factors, but one term. So negative 1 squared is positive 1, so I'm not going to write anything. Raise a power to another power, multiply. Raise a power to another power, multiply. Oh, not 36, that was silly. 13 times 2 is 26. Okay, last one. Negative 1 cubed technically is negative times negative times negative, which is negative 1. I don't have to write the 1, I can. 12 times 3 is 36. 3 times 3 is 9, and 13 times 3 is 39. So hopefully now that you're absolutely happy with law 3 and law 4. Don't worry, we will practice them some more, because in the next lesson they come up under mixed questions, where we start mixing all the laws together and then we practice them all together. Okay, well done.